So I am doing this little mini DIY home diffuser. It's one of those products that can easily be recreated at home for a fraction of the cost. I had a bunch of this neroli oil and I wanted to use it up. I didn't pay for it, but I don't want to be wasteful when it comes to like these precious oils. So I blended in this little vial, the neroli, half of orange oil, and then the sort of amber color comes from the dark, like sweet patchouli. I put about 6 drops of patchouli in here. So the next step is you're gonna need oil. I suggest using almond oil because it's the most neutral in terms of aromatic odor. I went to Michael's. The reeds, and then I had a 40% off coupon. It came to like 2 something. And rather than go buy the glass, I just repurposed this maple syrup jar. I wanted something that was kind of like streamlined and flat so I could put it on my mantle. Make sure you get the proper reeds. Don't get bamboo, because bamboo, if you look at the cross section of bamboo, it's not completely tubular, dude. Whereas if you look at the ends of the reed, it's completely like tubular, so it's gonna suck up the oil and it's gonna help dissipate it into the air.
Okay, in goes the oil. I hope this is enough oil. Just right to the top there. Put the cap on, invert it a bit. Beads. I'm gonna do them all. Should probably split up this pack. Let's just see how it looks visually. Yeah, fucking DIY queen, bitch! I'm not gonna do them all. Let's do half.
And a little homage to Canadiana here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.